Hey guys, if you have a Messenger notification that won't go away, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix this. So you can see for my Messenger app, I currently have 7 notifications. So in order to get rid of these, we first need to click on the Messenger app. And then click on the navigation icon in the top left-hand side. Now, in these list of menu items right at the top, you should see a number at the top which corresponds to the number of notifications you originally had when opening the application. So you can see for chats, we have 7 currently notifications inside of here. And all you need to do is just scroll down your list of chats and make sure to click and read anything that is currently unread. Now, sometimes you can get notifications just from simply someone reacting to your message. So you also need to make sure to select all these conversations as well. Then head back over to the top left-hand navigation, and you also need to do the same for Marketplace and the same for message requests as well. Sometimes when you're on your chats, you'll also be able to scroll down and you'll see this Marketplace here. If you have any notifications showing here, you'll also need to click on this and make sure you've read all of your notifications. Now, if we head back over to the navigation menu, you can see I've now got rid of all these notifications. So if I scroll back over to the home screen, it's now got rid of these 7 notifications. If you still have any numbers besides any of the menu items here, then it probably means you've missed a conversation. So you'll need to go through this and make sure you've read everything. Now, if you have tried everything and that's still not getting rid of the notification, the last thing that I'd recommend doing is just uninstalling Messenger, and then we can reinstall it from the App Store. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.